Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Apple TV Plus on Fire TV step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Fire TV device. Ensure that your Fire TV is connected to your Wi-Fi network. From the main menu, navigate to the search option. Type Apple TV in the search bar. Select the Apple TV app from the search results. Press the Get or Download button to start downloading the app. Once the download is complete, open the Apple TV app. You will be prompted to sign in. If you already have an Apple ID, enter your credentials. If you don't have an Apple ID, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. After signing in, you will see the Apple TV Plus option. Select the Apple TV Plus icon to access the content. If you have an active subscription, you can start watching immediately. Complete the payment process to activate your Apple TV Plus subscription. Now you can browse and enjoy the content available on Apple TV Plus. Ensure to keep the app updated for the best viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.